Hi, I'm Jinsong, founder and the CEO of Innowave Tech. Today, I'm going to talk how AI is changing manufacturing industry. Semiconductor and advanced manufacturing, these are the very complex and need the very precision processes. One of the pain points, for example, is high quality expectation, also zero tolerance for error, need the fast decision making. Once error happens, the impact to the quality can be huge. The cost of quality can be millions, and this happens all the time. One of the big gaps is where to find those skills. So all this holds a very high challenge to the engineers' expertise. Industry AI is known for the data-driven decision and can augment the human capacity. It's based on the data decision, real-time judgment, based on large data analysis and the predictions. All this is good help and augment the human capacity, especially become brains for engineers to make a judgment. So that make the whole process very precise, real-time, also repeatable. For example, for the defects, how to lay a path for zero defect. AI can help to automatically classify the defects, the root cause mapping, pointing the root cause in real time, and also helping to trigger the real-time response. So all this has reduced the huge exposure and the impact to the potential qualities. Industry AI, the main purpose is to best use of data and max the value of the data. So use data, you can predict, optimize the process real time. For the other hand, for the generative AI, currently a lot of people talk about like ChatGPT, GPT-4 is more use common knowledge to generate new contents. AI, I believe in the next 10 years or even shorter, faster, it will become everywhere. It becomes vertical operations in majority of the industry. Well, like IT today in every factories. For example, you will see AI assisting the process optimization. Real time, they take the data from production line everywhere, then they optimize the process at the real time. So that actually support the continuous improvement. So some of our products already deployed in the manufacturing. So based on the real time to do the analysis, to do the planning for the day of work or even week of work. You can imagine in the factory will be hybrid brains together with the actual expertise. So this hybrid mode, it will make a process much more effective and productive, also the better quality. The other area is sustainable manufacturing. So you leverage the AI and the use of the data real time to make the fast judgment whether the equipment should be energy saving status or how to maximize the saving of energy. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you found this useful.